and welcome back to Pendragon's Twisted Metals. As you can see, I still don't know where my shirt is. Wah wah. I need to find it. I don't know where it is. I thought I brought it with me. Anyways, we are continuing with the evenstar amulet. So basically my plan is to heat up a piece of the refractory to a very, very hot temperature, and then start putting those pieces, the bezel pieces for the stones, in the order that they're supposed to be in, so in that shape, and then solder them. And hopefully the refractory heats up the backs enough that I don't overheat the prongs. That's what we're trying to not do. So, let's get started. work. So, in order to not continue to overheat these, I think what we're going to do is do them individually, try and solder them individually, and hopefully not screw up the pattern. I think I'm also going to clip down the prongs so that they're a little bit shorter, and maybe they won't take on too much heat. Maybe. We'll figure it out. Let's get started. Alright, well, unfortunately, because of all the back and forth of having to resolder these prongs, I am going to have to stop for tonight. We have run out of time. I literally have, it's 10:15 on Saturday night, so I need to stop and edit, and then hopefully be able to get this uploaded and everything like that tomorrow. So, hopefully I see you all there. And just so that you guys know, this is what I made to kind of help me solder two prongs at the same time. I could probably get a third one on there to get all three, but as you saw, it is a little bit dangerous because of overheating the prongs. Two of those melted, but I think I can still salvage them. So as long as I don't mess up the prongs when I go and use this that I made. This is all out of binding wire, by the way. So I made these out of binding wire just to try to help me set everything up and not melt the prongs. So unfortunately, that is it for tonight. I hope that you all enjoyed this episode. If you did, hit that like button, and if you really liked it, hit the subscribe button and the bell, so then you'll get notified whenever I put out a video. And it does help the channel. We've already gone over 50 subscribers, so great job, everyone. If you all could share as well, that would be great. So this project is going to be taking a little bit longer, just because, yes, a lot of back and forth, but we've gotten 2 of these soldered already. So that's 2 out of 6, and that ain't bad. So again, I hope that I see you all next week or on the next live. I do those Mondays and Wednesdays, and I post them on here on YouTube every Tuesday and Thursday, and then of course these are on Sunday. So I hope that you all have a wonderful evening.